Yo, man, just went to your page now, bro. These algorithms suck, bro. None of this stuff hits my timeline, bro. None of this stuff hits my timeline. I ain't know you had a song with J Monty. I ain't none of that, bro. These algorithms are trash.
Go hard like 4, really, that shoe gang like 450. I got married, was so giddy, swear my wife's skin looks so pretty. I don't care if they roll with me, headed to the top, but they don't get me. That's why some peeps can go with me. I'm a heathen just like Garvey. I am adjusting the elephants that are right here in the room. Church is way more than the people who walk in the building. No wonder you see in my zone. I ain't the truth, I'm just a messenger. I got the views up on the regular, get in the booth, writing like Eminem. This is the proof, no one is better than my God. They ain't get that proof line, better rewind. Beats 5 Fvmeless in production. I be making sure the people that I'm working with getting credit. I invest in my endeavors. I ain't selfish, I'm just fed up with these hecklers. Walk around like it was tether, grinding hard like Ryan Sheckler. You cheddar, I ain't work, shut your mouth. You's a clown, you TikTokin', you want clout. Time for an out, punch so wow. I make song and it go bounce, bounce. I swear they never ready. Y'all be sipping on the Henny. Y'all be working for a Grammy. I've been working for my family on God. I don't really wanna do it, but I had to do it. I ain't really had nothing growing up. I was riding bus, they was feeling tough. I was writing raps, they was making fun. Get the gag, no, no, no. Feel it bad, you don't know. Take it with the back, hit it with the chest, throw a battery right in the back of his head. I was too dice in the gym. I need a couple of M's. I ain't have that many friends. I would do anything just to fit in.
Look at me, taking chances, I might have to slow it down. NXT, Yahweh over coma, I won't say a sound. All these blessings in the rear, I might need another round. Know I had to feed my dogs like we broke up at the pound. Don't tell me that God ain't real, you see my girl lately. Shot my shot, then she hit me with the call me maybe. On the road like Cottonelle, wrist it look like jelly. All these spirit on the line, pick up, don't be shelly. Check out the agent, I'm way too free. Keep it low key, like Do-Re-Mi. Now these babies swear I'm on that, we gon' be alright. Brought the legends of the hidden temple to the light.
Walk down highway, friends are calling, but I'm stalling. I don't trust him, I trust Yahweh. Always thinking deep, who's a wolf, who's a sheep? What to sow, what to reap? Don't want life to be about me, no. Walking up in the school, man, it was difficult, I did not know who I was. Talking in intervals just to get ready, you know I don't want any drugs. Stalking was pitiful, my life is pivotal, why do you give me a hug? Walking is cynical, faking the pinnacle isn't really showing me love either. Heater, spit the ether, 19 syllables, need a feature. Hit the Gmail, hit the Cash App, I'ma smash that track right now, nice to meet you. Take that bread, go get a pizza, say hi to my wife, kiss her on the cheek. I'm constantly here just honoring, because she's just so astonishing. Praise God, it's divine how these rhymes come together for his good. Love is blind, no it's not, you just don't know how to do it. It's my time, yeah, you surprised why I need only free agent and never sign line.
Look at me, taking chances, I might have to slow it down. NXT, Yahweh over coma, I won't say a sound. All these blessings in the rear, I might need another round. Know I had to feed my dogs like we broke up at the pound. Don't tell me that God ain't real, you see my girl lately. Shot my shot, then she hit me with the call me maybe. On the road like Cottonelle, wrist it look like jelly. All these spirit on the line, pick up, don't be shelly. Check out the agent,